The most important job in a remodel, electrical work. Electrical work. The reason why? So many contractors try to cut corners. They don't want to get a permit. They say, oh, we don't need to get a permit. You want to do your electrical right. You do not want an electrical fire at 3 in the morning. You don't want someone cutting corners, just trying to make a margin, just so they can get a job. No, you need to get your electrical right. What does that mean? Besides a building permit, you need your own electrical permit with a licensed electrician. Okay, it has to be a licensed electrician through the state. Okay, and any time you touch any wire in electrical, anytime you touch any wire in electrical, you have to get a permit. And you want to get a permit. You want to make sure it gets done right? I've seen so many times where people overload circuits, overload boxes, things short circuit, they get hot. We've been in houses where, we go on to flip on the light and it's hot. Can you imagine? That's how fires are started. And insurance might not cover it if you got the work done illegally. So you have to be very careful here. Obviously, any remodel we do, we get all the right permits, we get all the right electrical permits and all that stuff. And I want to talk to you today. You can see all new wiring. With this house, when we came in, it was all done poorly. They cut corners. We had to do a heavy upgrade, and you can see this client wanted lights, excuse me, lights. So you can see they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have floor to ceiling windows. But during the night, there's no lamps here. You're looking over Los Angeles. Oh, there's more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. He won't be upset at me because there's a lot of lights. During the nighttime, he wants to be blinded. He wants to be able to see. That's what he told me, and we delivered. But the bottom line is, you need to make sure all electrical work is done correctly, because electrical fires are not fun. You do not want to have to second guess that. You want to make sure your house is safe. Why spend money if you're not going to do it right? So that's just a little tidbit on what we're doing here. Everything's passed, stamped, state certified. We're good to go.